Hey guys, it's RebeccaLynOberstadt. In today's video, I am working with 3 different palettes to create a variety of green eye looks. I actually filmed this on March 15th. I am editing this April 11th, just to give you an idea of how backlogged I am on editing. I am 1 week and 1 day post first dental procedure, and things are still very painful. So even talking still hurts. But I figured I would go ahead and let you know that, I had this filmed for a while. I'm probably going to put music behind this. All of this is real time. I'd planned to talk about other topics in this video, but my mouth just hurts way too bad for me to try and do a voiceover for this entire video. So the palettes used are the BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac palette, the Take Me Back to Brazil, and the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition, and I used the same 2 eye brushes for both looks. So I will leave everything linked down below in the description box that I used on my eyes, split up by color category, because one eye is going to be green and orange and the other one is purple and green or green and purple. So hopefully you guys like them. Also, don't forget that I have channel memberships now available on the channel. There's already some channel member content already up, and I have the first video to edit of the members only video. So only members will be able to see that video. So if you want to see what the video is, then you have to sign up to become a member. The membership levels start at 99 cents a month, and it does help me out quite a bit, because right now, since Depop sales have been really slow, YouTube is my only income. So I'm gonna go ahead and find some sassy music or something to put on while I let you guys watch this, and I will come back and talk to you at the end.
Blanket of snow, but I could never figure out how you can make your world go so slow. We can turn away all those feelings of being left behind. When nothing is working, there's nothing worse than being left behind.
All right. I ended up putting 4 different songs in here, and I left the artists and whatnot on the screen so that you know who was playing what song. And I'll also leave it in the description box as well. A lot of the music is from YouTube, except for the song at the beginning, which is from my friend Grant Duncan, who is from New Zealand, actually. So, and I use his music with permission. So anybody that wants to try and claim his music, well, you can just kiss off, because Grant actually sent me the music himself. So, what do you guys think of these 2 different eye looks? The green and orange, or the purple and green? I like using green with a bunch of random colors. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like, which one do you prefer over the other? I mean, I like them both. And I tried to do like corresponding liners in my waterline and whatnot. That's a Lele Posh glitter that I'm using, and it's like a glitter gel, and it's super, super, super sticky, and it never dries down, and your hair sticks to it, and the little glitter particles didn't want to come off my finger. I ended up having to use like a spatula to scrape the glitter off my finger and try and put it back on my face. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I did like purple with green in the center of the one waterline, and then I just used like a peachy orange color. But everything will be linked down below. Just let me know, do you prefer one over the other, or do you just like them both? I mean, I like them both. And then I spice it up with some rhinestones that I got from like Walmart in the craft section. So they got a little adhesive pack on them. I think they're cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. Would you wear either of these 2 looks? Yes or no? Do you like it when I leave these videos at real time? I know some people find it helpful when I do leave the videos at real time, so that if you want to follow along, you can. So, dog's choking to death. Anyways, I'm RebeccaLynOberstadt. Thank you for making it this far, and I will see you guys in another video. I have a ton of editing to get done, so a lot of these older videos will get edited probably today and tomorrow, and you'll see them in April and May. See you later. Happy fantastic day or night wherever you are. Bye.